Bigtrak Channel. Tonight we're fixing a Bigfoot. Getting old now, nearly 40 years old. 84, yeah, 40 years old. So we're going to be looking at Bigfoot and how to repair them. Okay guys, we're going to slip forward a couple of steps. If your Bigfoot is dead in the water, no point wasting time hanging around. Take the battery cover off. Just 2 screws in the back holding the battery cover on. Flip her over. 4 screws in the bottom, and just whip them out. Off with the body, and you'll find the guts inside as you'd expect. Now, we have 3 things that go wrong with these. Number 1, battery terminals become corroded. Contact on here becomes loose without adjustment, and the power switch here becomes loose. So first thing we're going to look at is the contacts. Now the contacts here, I've already taken this off, you can see are really dirty. I've started cleaning up, got a little bit of brass there coming through. Get yourself a bit of an emery cloth or wire wool and clean the contacts until they start to come up nice and clean. You do the same with both sides on the rear because they're the same. Getting at these in front is a little bit trickier. It involves taking the body off if you wish to go all the way, but you can get at them just with a bit of wire wool emery cloth. The next one is this contact in here. It comes really dirty and you can't get it very well. Easiest way is just use a little bit of emery cloth on a screwdriver and clean the contact up there to give you your earth. So that's the second common fault on them. Third one, the switch here becomes loose and worn, and if you aren't careful, these 40-year-old blobs of solder can come off. But other than that, these are very sturdy and very well put together. So I'm just going to finish, clean this up now, and then the next thing we're going to see is her working. Okay guys, next repair on the go. To those of you in the know, you probably recognise the chassis straight away. It's a MB Bigfoot. Problem we got here is she's dead in the water. So looking inside, all the contacts are pretty gnarled up and dirty. We got power to the switch, but she's unresponsive. So tonight's job, we got to repair us Bigfoot. See you later. Okay, all the contacts are cleaned, batteries are in, switch is on, forward power, reverse. And now all remains now to have a quick check of the gears. Two-wheel drive. Okay, let's put it back together. Okay guys, one thing I just discovered, 40-year-old plastic is really brittle. So I'm just going to place this on for now, but if I bring in the camera, you can see the plastic has split on the mounting holes. So I'm going to put some araldite around them tonight and let them set over the night, and screw them back on tomorrow when she's set nice and hard. So while you put these back together, don't forget these are 40 years old and the plastic is really brittle. So she's testing, working fine. The stickers are looking a little bit tired, so I've ordered some stickers. I'm going to give her a restoration so she's generally in good condition. Okay, there you go folks, so wooden Bigfoot, happy and working, and next time we're going to look at the decals. I think there's a slight problem with the gearbox, though she's working, it's just a lock in here, you can see the 4-wheel drive system's all working, looks like 2-wheel drive, and wheel spin is working. If I put it into drive, on the back. But I think we might have a slightly damaged gear something, so we'll be looking at that next time on repairing the gearbox. Cheers guys, thanks and bye bye.